Are you saying card data needs attention error in Google Ads? This is a very common problem. It happens because your website data layer item ID doesn't match your Google Merchant Center product ID. In today's video, I will show you how to fix it. We will use the Google Tag Manager to modify your items array to perfectly match the Merchant Center schema, solving this error. This method works for Shopify, WooCommerce or any other platform. So without further delay, let's get started. When we set up Google Ads purchase tracking with GTM, we often see the unmatched IDs error. Why? Because your website data layer schema is different from the Merchant Center schema. On the left, this is our website data layer item ID. On the right, this is our Merchant Center product ID. Google cannot match this. This is the problem we need to fix. To fix this, we must convert our website items array to match the Merchant Center recommended schema. We won't edit the website code. We will do this inside Google Tag Manager. Go to the Google Tag Manager container and create a new custom variable. In the variable section, create a new variable and select the custom JavaScript variable. I will add this Merchant Center schema converter code in this video description. Now copy the entire code and go to the Google Tag Manager and paste it here. And save this variable. I have already created a new custom HTML variable. Just I will replace our recent code. Now go to your Google Ads purchase conversion tag, attach your new custom JavaScript variable. In the tag section, and this is the Google Ads purchase conversion tag, then select and you have to select the event parameter. The parameter will be the items and the value will be your custom JavaScript Merchant Center schema variable. This is a critical step many people miss. You must send the exact same data to GA4. Go to your GA4 purchase event tag. In the text section and again edit here the items parameter and edit the value will be the custom JavaScript Merchant Center schema variable. Once you have attached the new variable to both tags, publish your Google Tag Manager container. If your setup is done correctly, Google Ads will start matching the IDs. Your unmatched IDs error will go away completely within 24 to 48 hours. Finally, I want to show you a real-life case study from a USA-based client I work with just this week. When I started, their account looked like this. They had two purchase conversions set up. One was the NS GA4 web purchase, which imports conversion from Google Analytics 4. The other was the website purchase successful, which uses the Google Ads tags set up directly in Google Tag Manager. If you look at the GA4 conversion NS GA4 purchase, its status is active. This is because we fixed the data layer item ID mismatch and GA4 is now successfully sending card data that matches the Merchant Center. But if you look at the direct Google Ads tag website purchase successful, it still says needs attention. Why? Because the client had not attached our new modified items array variable to their Google Ads tag. They only attached it to in GA4 tag. We have now attached the correct variable to the Google Ads tag and this needs attention status will be also turned on active within 48 hours. This is how we take a client's tracking from needs attention to active and ensure 100% data accuracy. Thank you for watching this video. If you are struggling with these tracking issues in your own e-commerce store and want an expert to ensure your data 100% accurate, I offer a free e-commerce tracking audit. In this free audit, I will identify your biggest data gaps and create a clear strategy to boost your ROI. Click the first link in the description below to request your free audit today. I will see you in the next video.